where? Mambukaw. Yeah? The feet of the volcano, Han. Yeah, the one we're gonna go. It's the feet of the volcano. Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh, Morika.
I'm not going
Morsha. Morsha. Lain na pagkakamon. Asa yung tapo na mo? Mambukaw. We're going to Mambukaw Hot Spring. Ano nakita ko kung nag-hot spring? Bukal naman. Yeah, I know. Yeah, samut. It's nice, no? I know we're not using aircon. It's very cold. Raining. Ready 4:43 p.m. We're still going to Mambukaw. What up? Porsche. Porsche. Nice, Kevin, no? Eh, betul, no? Porsche Road. Negros Kusunta, Talisay City. Taliban. Taliban, ha? Taliban. This is Talisay now, Jit.
Porsche.
It's the Porsche? Oh, this is welcome to Talisay there. In the sign. You see Porsche? P-O-R. Ah, Morsha. Morsha. M-O-R-Y. M-U-R-C-I-A. Yung magugana na, maramag American name, Morsha.
We're 14 minutes away. 13 minutes now.
Oh no. Whoa. We're in Porsche. It's like typhoon, but we're still going to the hot spring for the memories, right? So hopefully everything is good and fun. One na good. Oh, it's foggy right now. Woo. Oh. River. What's the name of the river?
Twin River. Wow, I don't know.
Twin River.
Oh, what's that?
The river.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, that's so scary, Eugene. I don't like the law. Oh my gosh, that's so scary. Oh my. Yeah. We're going to San Miguel. Me? Whoa, what a view we got that one. What is it? San Miguel, Barangay San Miguel. You know there's a set. Whoa, look at that. Woo! I want to live there. Ah, I'd be crazy. Whoa. Here you go. Food and drinks allowed. Actually, we come here Typhoon. What is the hot spring?
Dipping.
Dipping? Dipping pool hot spring. Oh, it's a dipping pool hot spring. Oh my gosh. Actually, it's so dark because it's already 5:30. Just 1 minute. So here we go. Hindi to siyang adlawan, no? Hindi to adlawan. As you can see more light. Right now it's dark. It's really dark. Kel? Dili alam dito. Be careful, Kel. It's slippery, Kel. Yeah, slippery. It's so rainy. Mora, napilay na ni? Napilay na ni? Napilay nga na ni? Wala na. Apa sa pikas?
Pikas.
Ah,
Japanese Sapporo.
Japanese Sapporo.
Yung may additional payment na 100 per head.
Ah, kanipila ni?
Bali, pay naman na include na sa entrance.
How much the ano? Normally?
140.
140 each person? Ah, this one is 140 each person.
Included na yung mga food. Dalawang malamig.
Ah, okay, hot spring. Para rin ng hot spring nga, nagpayong. This is so spring. Oh, bata ko. Giat kayo. Hindot ka namin lifeguard. And no food, the drinks are allowed. Kailangan ko mag-capture some moment. So it's 5:30, no lights, no generator. You can still swim. And it's hot. Ang porma niya kay Heart? Murag Heart, no?